So today we will discuss about cultural diversity. So in this lecture we will discuss about what is cultural diversity, how it impacts the industry, what are the benefits of having a diverse culture at your workplace, and what are the drawbacks, okay, and how you can promote the cultural diversity. So these are the few things which we will discuss throughout this video. And so let us start, okay. So we will start our video. Importance of cultural diversity in the workplace. Okay, so whenever you talk about cultural diversity, the diversity would include generally DIE criteria, that is diversity, equity and inclusion. We will discuss about it one by one. First we'll understand uh, what are the terms which generally comes under this cultural diversity. Okay, so cultural diversity refers to the variance in values, belief, right? Because everyone would have different values when they are working for. See, if you have a multinational company, let us understand with an example so that it is much more clear. Okay, so if you have a multinational companies, you will find that there are many people from different backgrounds. So what does a cultural diversity means? That there would be a variance in the values, their beliefs, their behavior. Everyone would not have the same behavior, right? Everyone would not have the same customs, okay, and traditions, right? So this all these variance would exist, right? That means they are from different culture, okay. So the importance of this difference between the culture, right, is known as your importance of the cultural diversity at the workplace, okay. So let us just quickly have an idea why it is important to have a different culture at your workplace, and what are the benefits and what are the problems would you will face if you have such a diverse culture. Okay, so we'll go through it one by one. Okay, importance, its importance, and its uh, what are the benefits you will have, right, and all those things. So first of all, we'll go through the benefits of cultural diversity. Okay. So what happens with what are the benefits of this cultural diversity is, first of all, it will improve the creativity and innovation. See, different culture would have you are if people are brought up from the different culture, they would think differently. Okay, so for the same kind of problem, you will find different solutions. Okay, so for the same kind of problem, if you come across a problem and you need to find a solution to it, for the same kind of problem you can find a different solution, because people will think differently coming out of different cultures. Okay, so improved creativity and innovation is one of the thing. Higher number of new products or services are brought into market because you have a different culture, so different culture will promote different kind of products, so you can bring different kinds, higher number of products can be brought into market. Reduced time to market. Okay, diversity can challenge traditional thinking, right? This can enable organization, right, to seize an opportunity where market can be accelerated and can be, you can reduce the time in the market. Okay, and positive customer feedback and satisfaction would also, you will also receive a positive customers feedback and satisfaction. Enhance problem solving and decision making, which we have discussed earlier, right? How it will enhance, because as you explore wider range of solutions, you will get. Okay, so all these things we have discussed. Now, challenges, what challenges you will face if you have a culturally diverse staff or something like that. Okay, so the challenges which you will face is communication barriers, because everyone would not speak in the same language. Okay, so there would be a communication barrier. Apart from, see, the communication barrier can be handled with the use of an international language. For an example, most of the people generally know English, but that is not sufficient, because there would always be a communication barrier between people. Okay, so coming from different backgrounds. Okay, so communication barrier is one of the problem which you will face if you have a culturally diverse staff. And cultural differences and misunderstanding, because something is good for some people, whereas something is bad for some people. Okay, they are brought up in different cultures, so there would be always a cultural difference and misunderstanding between the people. Okay, resistance to change is also one of the key factors, because most of the people will not want to change the way they think, right? So that would also be a challenge in a culturally diverse staff. Right. Now, what are the strategies to promote cultural diversity, equality, and inclusion? First of all, DIE focused recruitment and hiring. So, while hiring, you must remember that you should have people from all the backgrounds, all the different cultural backgrounds. So, that is one of the thing. And the second thing is the you should have a unbiased screening, right? For an example, if you have a team which is conducting interview, or a panel which is conducting interview, are from the same background, all are from the same background, what would happen? The interviewer would prefer a guy who is coming from their background. So ultimately it will lead to a partiality. Okay, so if you have a diverse culture, what would it will do is it will give equal opportunity to uh, yeah, all the employers who are coming for the recruitment. Okay, so this is also one of the thing. So training program and workshops can be conducted. Okay, and then you can also make a cultural competency training. Okay, or you can also have a cultural event wherein we tell that what are the different types of culture around which are present in your office, or right, what are the different type of culture, right? So it will enlarge or broaden the mind of all the employees, and there would be a lot more tolerance towards the different culture. So yeah, so I think this is what is all about your cultural diversity. So there you have few benefits, right? And you also have few drawbacks of having different culture. But you should promote cultural diversity, and how to promote that we have discussed it. Okay, so I think that is sufficient for your cultural diversity. For further details, you can go through my PDF and learn more about the cultural diversity and its benefits and its disadvantages. Okay, so thanks a lot. That's it for today.